Assalamu alaikum, my brothers and sisters. Now the Ramadan will be over within few days. Everyone will be enjoying with the families, celebrating Eid al-Fitr. Oh, there was once when our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he was extremely happy, profoundly happy when he met with Bibi Aisha radiallahu ta'ala an. He asked her, you can ask me anything you want. I will let you know, I will fulfill, because I am too much happy today. So Bibi Aisha radiallahu ta'ala an said, please give me some time to ask the questions. What she did, she rushed to her father, Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu ta'ala an, and she told him that today our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is too happy and he asked me, whatever you want, I will fulfill. So Hazrat sallallahu alaihi wasallam was too happy to say her Bibi Aisha radiallahu ta'ala about this. Whatever you want, I will fulfill. So Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu ta'ala said to her daughter, okay, when you go back, ask Hazrat sallallahu alaihi wasallam, what was the message you finally have words with Almighty Allah in the night of Miraj? Then she rushed back again, met with Hazrat sallallahu alaihi wasallam. She asked Hazrat sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I want to know the message about you have with Almighty Allah, Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. What was the message? I would like to know. And Hazrat sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I cannot disclose this message because we have binding agreement between myself and Allah Almighty subhanahu wa ta'ala. At this moment, Jibreel alayhi salam appeared and said to our Prophet, you can tell her Allah has given the permission. So Hazrat sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, if a momin makes happy to another momin, he will definitely enter into the heaven, Jannatul Firdaus. After that, Hazrat Bibi Aisha radiallahu ta'ala an rushed back again to her father and tell about this message. At the same time, when hearing about this message, Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu ta'ala an was started crying and crying until his beard soaked with his tears. So Bibi Aisha was surprised and shocked. And then she asked her father, what happened? Why you were crying? What was the reason? So Hazrat Abu Bakr said, you never look for the other side. If a momin makes happy, he will definitely enter into the heaven. But the same momin, if he displeased or makes unhappy or make any dissatisfied or disastrous to any other momin, he will be entering into the hell, dozak. This is the reason I was crying. Why I am telling about this? The Eid is near, everyone expects to enjoy, and there are different people, rich, poor and needy. So we need to be careful. We need to understand about who are at this time needs such assistance. To make happy is the right time. To make any other momin is the right time. So this is a simple message I'm passing on. Thank you for watching and listening. Allah Hafiz.